guys, kakanta na ako. Since you left me, I never really tried to put my life back where it should belong. I will always let past come back again. Try and let it be, could be wrong. But now I'm telling you that to let it go. Maybe send a brighter tomorrow. Oh no, leaving yesterday behind, winding up in with my mind. Let the memories stay.